Wanna create this? How sweet is that? Or this beautiful colorful snake? What about this cute cat turned into a ferocious tiger? How about these amazing sets full of movement and light? I will show you how. Ready? Let's start. Sign in with your account in Genmo. Here you can see astonishing creations brought to life. If you scroll, you can even use their prompt. Click on Get Started, write your custom starting frame. Click Create. Click here to use the image. I think it's fabulous, and you? Download it or remix the video. Another option is to upload one of your photos. Edit it and click. I also tried a prompt in the gallery and this is the result. What do you think? I love it. How about this photo of my dog Charlie becoming a lion? Enjoy these creations. You have credits every day. Free, easy, and mind-blowing, don't you think? I'm sure this will make your projects come to life. Tell me which one is your favorite in the comments section. I'd love to know. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.